Hello all! Today in this video, I'd like to show you all 5 simple decor items which can be made under 20 rupees. So let's begin. This is a simple decor piece that I've made with a wooden plank that was lying at home. I painted it with acrylic paints and wrote the word home with a pencil initially, and then I mixed some paint, chalk powder and fevicol to give this embossed kind of look. So there are multiple ways you can convert this into. I've drilled 2 holes and I'll be hanging it with a thread as a wall hanging. You can also choose to make a key holder. The screws to hang the keys can easily be purchased from any hardware store. Next, I've done a decoupage on a glass bottle. This is a very simple technique but looks so beautiful once done. First, paint it with any color of your choice, apply Mod Podge glue over it, and then stick the bottle by wetting small pieces of decoupage napkin. Sometime soon, I'll show you how to make decoupage decor. Just let me know in comments if you'd like to see one. After everything, apply varnish for the glaze and leave it to dry. Next is the star. I thought I'll show you all the star because a lot of you all asked me to make a video on this. So the star is so simple, and when you hang it in a corner, it adds to the beauty. You can also make it to brighten up your Christmas decoration. All you need to do is take 6 white sheets, roll each sheet into a stick, affix the sticks together to a star shape, and there you go. Hang it with a thin thread. Next, I've made a colorful photo bottle. I painted the bottle golden. Now this bottle has natural grooves, but if you don't have such grooves on the bottle, you can just take a glass liner and draw uneven boxes and then fill it with a combination of glass colors. I'm going to stick a photo on the plain portion of the bottle and put some rise lights into it. It looks so colorful. Now the last one, my favorite piece. This is a teapot. I converted this old teapot by painting it with chalk paints, and then I applied some Mod Podge once it had dried, and then I threw some glitter over it. As you can see, I had the color theme in my mind, so I've reused the colors. You can do this with any choice of color based on the theme you'd like to set. I had these old plastic flowers. I painted them and dropped a little glitter on it, and then it's a beautiful flower vase. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to it. I'll see you again with another interesting DIY video. Bye bye.